In 1971, a military general seized control of Uganda. What happened next became one of Africa's darkest chapters. Idi Amin didn't just kill his enemies, he tortured them in ways that defied human comprehension. He kept severed heads in his refrigerator like trophies. He fed live prisoners to crocodiles at his palace. He forced inmates to beat each other to death with sledgehammers while he watched. Amin claimed he practiced cannibalism, telling reporters human flesh was too salty for his taste. He made his own son watch executions as education. In 1972, he expelled 80,000 innocent people, giving them 90 days to flee or die. Even his wives weren't safe. Investigators later found he had dismembered one and rearranged her body parts. When his regime finally fell in 1979, search teams discovered torture chambers throughout his residences, rooms filled with mutilated corpses. 300,000 people died under his rule. Amin called himself the last king of Scotland. History remembers him as one of humanity's most sadistic monsters.